Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson, I will explain copy work of textbook lesson 5. Presentation of chapter index, words meaning, paraphrasing, stanza comprehension and question answers are the chapter index. Students, after writing glossary, English to English words meaning in your notebook, write stanza paraphrasing about the stanzas. You have studied about the stanzas in previous lecture. Stanza 1. The dawn's awake. A flash of smouldering flame and fire ignites the east, then higher, higher. Over all the sky, so grey, forlorn, the torch of gold is born. Paraphrasing, the poet reminds readers about the hardships that African Americans had experienced in the past mazi. He says that after a long period of slavery and hardships, slavery, gulami, hardships, takalif, finally everyone will be able to enjoy the nice day. The sky had been dark and gloomy for a long time, but now the golden light of sun is visible dikhai dena. Second stanza. The dawn's awake, the dawn of 1,000 dreams and thrills, and music singing in the hills. A paean of eternal spring voices the new awakening. Paraphrasing. The poet says that new morning of freedom had started. Freedom Azadi. We have keenly waited for this time. We were excited by uncountable dreams for this moment of joy. The victorious songs of endless spring echo in the hills. It indicates our success. Indicates Zahir Karna. Third stanza. The dawn's awake, whispers of pent-up harmonies, with the mingled fragrance of the trees, fanned snatches of half-forgotten song, fathers torn and numb. The boon of light we craved, awaited long, has come, has come. The poet says that pleasant morning of liberty, liberty azadi, has approached. Thrilling songs now can be heard everywhere. It gives joy when mixed up with fragrance of trees, fragrance khushbu. We are extremely tired after struggling long, struggling jadojahad karna. The blessing of independence has been achieved after waiting long. Independence azadi. Stanza comprehension is just like paragraph comprehension. I took stanza second from this poem on page 46. Lesson 5. The dawn's awake, the dawn of 1,000 dreams and thrills, a music singing in the hills, a paean of eternal spring voices the new awakening. Identify the rhyming words in the stanza. Rhyming words in the stanza are thrills, hills, and spring, awakening. Question number second. What is singing in the hills? Music is singing in the hills. Question number third. Write the theme of the poem. The theme of the poem is nature. The poet is a lover of nature. He stirs the mind by creating realism with the nature, with the natural settings. What is the name of the poem and poet? The name of the poem is The Dawn Awake. The Dawn's Awake. Write apostrophe and S with it. The Dawn's Awake. And poet is Otto Lilian Bohannon. Question number 5. Paraphrase the line, a paean of eternal spring. In this line, the poet wants to say that the victorious songs of endless spring echo in the hills. It indicates our success. Come to exercise comprehension. What is the mood of the poem? How does the use of figurative language by poet contribute the mood of the poem? The mood of the poem is cheerful and idyllic. The use of figurative language creates pleasant environment. Flash of sun, music in the hills, fragrance of the trees nicely appeal the reader's senses. What is the theme of the poem? The theme of the poem is nature. The poet is a lover of nature. He stirs the minds by creating realism with the natural settings. Third, do you like the poem? The Dawn's Awake. Why? I like the poem because its theme with the natural setting has strong impact on the mind. It gives hope and shows track of change in disappointment. Disappointment, mayusi. Question number 4. Identify the rhyming words in the poem. Rhyming words in the poem are fire, higher, forlorn, born, and thrills, hills. Identify an example of metaphor in the poem. Explain which two things are being compared. The torch of gold is born. This line compares the sun to a torch of gold without using like or as. Like or as. If the poet used like or as, it became simile. But this is metaphor used in this stanza, in this line of the poem. Do this work in your notebook and learn it. Bring your notebook for checking to school. Stay safe at home. God bless you.